In this video, I will show you how to get free eBay coupon code for any purchase. So first of all, there is no such thing as universal promo code for all the purchase, but you can get valid free eBay codes by checking it on various places. So first of all, you can simply open up eBay app or eBay website. From there, click on this three-line menu bar in the top right corner. From there, click on help. Then in the search bar, search for coupons. Click on coupons and discounts. Scroll down below. Here you can see receive coupons and discounts. Simply click on it. Or you can also find the coupons by clicking on this coupon page written in blue. From here you can see various types of coupons here. From there you can find various coupons and deals. Once you have your coupon codes or promo codes, simply browse for your items. Then proceed to checkout. Click on buy it now. If you have an account, you can simply sign in. If you don't, you can click on checkout as guest. From here, put in the details like shipping address, country, name, state, etc. Put in your phone number, then click on continue. Then choose your payment method, and right below it here you can see add a coupon. Right now it is disabled, but if I fill in the information above, it will be enabled. Then click on add a coupon. There paste the eligible, relevant and valid coupon codes that you have. And after that the amount will be deducted from your total. Then you can continue to confirm and pay. And that's it. That is how you can use and get eBay free coupon code for any purchase. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.